Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my channel if you're new here. My name is Tina. In today's video, I show you how to DIY customized LOL birthday banner. Are your children into certain cartoon character at the moment and want everything in that cartoon character? Here is one way you could do a DIY on a budget. Supplies needed are curling ribbon, hole puncher, a pair of scissors, secret sauce, reusing the packaging of your children's favorite cartoon character. For us, it was LOL Surprise Dolls. First, cut out the logo of the cartoon characters. Here I have the LOL Surprise logos, LOL Dolls characters. Cut along the silhouette of the cartoon characters and keep them aside. Cut out as many as you will need for your banner. Here, I will be alternating between the LOL logo and the LOL Surprise doll. Since some of the cartoon characters here on the packaging are horizontally and some are vertically, some of the cutouts are individual characters, some of the cutouts are in a group. Here I have my little daughter helping me to cut out the LOL Surprise doll. She was so excited to do this DIY project. Take your cutout, punch 2 holes onto each of your cutouts, both on the logo and on the characters cutout. This is so that you could loop your curling ribbon through each frame, so to speak. Put it into your banner, organize it in such a way that it's pleasing to the eyes, also that it is balanced. At this step, it is also a good time to clean out your cutouts if there are any pieces or if there are any silhouettes that you wanted to have it more clearly defined. Final step, take your curling ribbon and loop them through your cutout. The longer the curling ribbon, the better it is. These 2 very similar cutouts will be at the edge of both corners of the banner. To keep each cutout uniform with the curling ribbon, insert a ribbon through one hole. Have the white portion of the curling ribbon facing the character, so to speak. Loop it through the other hole and connect it with the other cutout. Try to have the white curling ribbon as straight as possible so that at certain area there are no kinks. As you pick and choose your cutouts, have them laid out to see that they are balanced and pleasing to the eyes. Voila! Here is your DIY customized LOL birthday banner. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, please kindly give this video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel for more quick and easy DIYs. Be sure to check out my DIY LOL birthday party ideas. You will be glad that you did. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Until then, I will see you in my next one. Bye. Take care.